Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. This is a great example of the customized approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.